doing today. This one's going to be a quickie. My apprentice goes back to school tomorrow, and the playground's broken, so I got a call from one of the teachers to come and help take this frame off and replace it with a new one. So I've got my impact driver and a bunch of adapters, and we'll see what we can do. So I've got a Torx tamper-proof driver here. Just got a hole in it. This one's the right size. Now I don't have the right socket for this, but I did find a 5/16 which fits nicely, so well, no, 1/4 inch. So let's get cracking. Got it. Right. Should have brought some tape. Right. Yeah, that one. Oh, drop the drive a bit. It'll be a long day if I don't jam that in there somehow. Alright, that's all the lugs removed. I don't need to remove these rings. I'm going to put these back together so we don't lose them. And we've got the frame leaning up here. I'm not sure where they want to put that. But they do have a new one somewhere. So anyway, let's put these back together.
Just letting all staff know that the morning tea is ready in the staff room. We'll see you then.
Apparently morning tea is ready. Oh, bit of grunt on that thing. Certainly did the trick. I'm going to slow it down a bit. All right. Oh, I dropped both nuts. I dropped me nuts. I don't know what it is about school grounds. It brings out the immaturity in me. Alright. Right, now we shouldn't lose any of the fasteners. Alright. Let's find somewhere to put this thing. So, zip tied all the clamps on the old frame so we can't lose them. And just waiting on some instructions of where to park this thing. But otherwise, we're pretty well done. So I haven't got the new one on hand to install, but you know what, I'll end up getting the job when that happens. But at least this one with the safety status unknown because of the brake, at least it's not presenting a risk to the kids. Anyway, yeah, I'll get this put away, but this will be the end of this video. So I'll see you all next time. Hope you enjoyed. I know it was only a quickie. Oh, well, I was wrong. The staff member just told me she's going to go get a trolley and get the new one. So I had to cut these off and dump them on the ground. So let's put the new one on. Alright, well, we're back at the Rover. The new panel's been installed. A couple of kids showed up, so I had to stop filming. You know, I'm here on a day when there's no students, but some of the parents that are helping do some of these works have brought their kids. So I don't want any legal woes, so I haven't filmed any of the kids. I've just stopped filming. But you'll just have to take my word for it. The other panel's up. It's a black one now. Looks really good. It's quite safe. It takes my weight. I think I'm pretty much heavier than a kid. So yeah, we're going to call it quits, and we'll see you in the next video. Catch us later.